Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to start your charcoal in a chimney. The first thing you're going to want to do is have some good dry paper. I like to use newspaper, waste not, want not. Make a big ball with one, and then with the other two, you want to wrap around the outside of the ball. This is going to keep the ball in the center from falling, and it's also going to give you some points that you're going to be able to push out of the circles around the chimney. We're going to show you how to do that in just a second. See? Now as you go around, you just pull a little bit of that newspaper out of each circle, and it's going to lock everything in place so it doesn't fall out. See? Ta-da! Magic. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab your favorite charcoal or briquettes. Pop them in for how much you need. Then we're going to take our lighter and we're just going to go around in each circle and light that fire. Super easy, guys. This is not rocket science. You just want to make sure you have good airflow so that the fire will continue to burn hot and start those bottom coals going. Now you're going to notice a lot of white smoke here, and what's going to happen over time is it's going to go from white to lighter white. Next thing we're going to want to do is take some of our wood and put it in water. Why do we do that? Wet wood smokes, dry wood burns. Still seeing smoke here, guys. What does that mean? That means it's not ready yet. This is what you want to see. Absolutely no smoke coming from your chimney. The briquettes are hot and ready for use. What you're going to do is set it over here on a rock on the side like I did, not on the wood, on a rock. We're going to take our charcoal and place them into our kettle. I like to cook in direct heat, so I will put the charcoal on two sides of a water pan, and I will fill that pan with water so as to keep things nice and moist. Perfect. Flatten our charcoal out here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to let this warm up. We want to get it up to temperature by opening the vents fully on the bottom and the top. That's going to allow that airflow to come through and get everything nice and hot. Come back in a few minutes. Make sure we scrape off all that nastiness from the last cook. Because we've used that time to get the grill nice and hot, it's going to allow all of those little bits to burn off, and it makes it really easy for cleaning. See? Just like a new. Beautiful. Now we're going to take this off. We're going to add our wood pieces onto our charcoal like so. Perfect. Now remember, it's a little wet, but don't worry, it's not going to do any harm. We're going to cover this and we're going to let those start to smoke. It'll start to look like this, and then you will know it is ready to use for barbecue, for your ribs, whatever you'd like. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but helps our channel out a lot and lets me know you like what I'm doing so I can keep doing it. Happy cooking.